Welcome to this tips and tricks video. Today we will show you how to define your pickup control point in ESPRIT easily and quickly. I create a new pickup operation. There is a field under pickup that is called control point XYZ. This field shows the global coordinates of the workpiece adapter that is selected in the workpiece position. I click OK and I will run the simulation of this new pickup operation. I can see that the pickup occurs at the face of the subspindle. I stop the simulation and go back in the part view. I edit the pickup operation, and this time I will choose another control point. For this I will digitize it directly in the graphic area, and I digitize this face of the jaw. I can see that only the Z value has been updated because it is the spindle axis. All the other values stay at 0. I run the simulation. I can see now that the pickup occurs at the face of the jaw that we selected and at the final face of the part. I stop the simulation and this time I go back in the pickup operation to edit the pickup point. I will digitize it in the graphic area and I select this point of the part. I can see that only the Z value has been updated because it is the spindle axis. All the other values stay at 0. I run the simulation of this pickup operation. I can see now that the pickup occurs at the second step of the jaw and at the newly selected point. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow ESPRIT on social media and stay tuned for our next tips and tricks video.